handed. No, sir, I'm so sorry. Give me that Rubik's Cube.
What? Rubik's Cube? We're gonna go get the Rubik's Cube. We're gonna... No, it's our Rubik's Cube. No, it's our Rubik's Cube. Oh! Oh, that's our Rubik's Cube. Oh, that annoying chicken. Oh! There you go. Thanks. Oh, now so how I open it again? I want to do something. I'll teach him. I finally got the Rubik's Cube from that annoying chicken. Wait, what? The chicken's there! My Rubik's Cube. Okay, I need a MacBook. I need to find a Mac. There's a MacBook charging it.
Sir, you're red-handed with the haunted Rubik's Cube.
What?
Sir, we're not playing around. We have to get the Rubik's Cube.
I need to go find the Mac. I need to use the MacBook to watch a bit. What? It disappeared. Right, I might just go ahead and use the Rubik's Cube to solve it, not to scramble it, because I'm stupid. I'll not to scramble Rubik's Cube because I'm stupid and I want to search a tutorial how to know it. Alright, so, wait, Red, did you hear the Rubik's Cube? No, I did not. No, just leave. Oh, fine. So my Rubik's Cube there, and everything's all good. Okay, wait. It's all through! It's all through! I need the Rubik's Cube to do this! I climbed the top of a mountain to see where the Rubik's Cube is. Wait, I'm about to fall! Wait, there's no floor down me. Do the tutorial. Right, since I got the Rubik's Cube, now I can finally do it. I just turned on my MacBook, and now I'm gonna start it. I have to put my finger. Oh no, yeah. All right, let's put it in. Okay, all right. 3, 2, 1. I fell down. 3, 2, 1. Wait, what? All right. I do that, right? And then, okay, that. And then, what? How do I? Wait, what? What? A person has more than 2 hands. This video sucks. No, I'm out here. No. Ugh, this video sucked. I hated that video. I don't know how to scramble a Rubik's Cube. Whatever, I might just calm down. Wait. What? Is that microphone? What? Does it work? What? It says, let's put it really up. Turn it on. Alright. Let's go talk to it. Okay, let's do it.
How do I scramble a Rubik's Cube?
Try it again.
Everyone, you were caught red-handed. Now you have to tell me how to solve this problem.
Stupid microphone, it doesn't even work. I hate this microphone, and I don't know how to scramble a Rubik's Cube.
Is anybody there? Please help me. No! Oh, it says no! They need cover.
I'm just calm down. Okay. Wait, what? The Rubik's Cube is scrambled! I'm here because there's a Rubik's Cube that's very, very bad for you, and you could possibly die from it. What's that? Oh no.
That's just a toy. I bought it from the store.
Hold up, let me dissect it. Okay, so we open this up. Like this.
No, don't break it! No, you're breaking the Rubik Cube! Oh no, there are pieces! How no, don't I suck this?
So we break this.
No!
Wait, what's the cord doing? What happened? What? Chicken? What? Microphone! I'm gonna do this! The end.